Hello, Religion 15 students. This is Mrs. Hull speaking, and I'm going to talk to you about the themes 12 through 14 question assignment. It's worth 10 marks, and there are 7 questions. So on theme 12, friendship, there are 2 questions. The first one is called read the face on page 106 and answer the question, how are faces traces of God? And that's worth 1 mark. The second one is read friendship in the kingdom of God, and that's on page 110. And then the question is, explain what Jesus states the 2 stumbling blocks to friendships are. So there have to be 2. And so that's why that's worth 2 marks. Then theme 13, intimacy, sexuality, and love. There are 4 questions here. Number 3, so it has the page number that you have to read, page 113. Why is intimacy that is appropriate for one kind of love not necessarily appropriate for another kind of love? Okay, so there's a reading on that. Then number 4, read page 116. Why does sexuality and its physical expression demand much respect and sensitivity? Why are there so many rules attached to a sexual relationship? And because there's 2 questions, there's 2 points. Number 5, read page 118, the left side only. Explain how when 2 Christians marry, their union is understood as a sacrament and a symbol of agape love. That's 1 point. The last question in this section is number 6. Read the chart on pages 114 and 115, and this relates back to the Pneuma Flame video as well. It talks about the Greek names for love. It also talks about the Jewish names for love, which is interesting too. So the question is, how is a Catholic marriage a coming together of eros love and agape love? So that's out of 2 because you have 2 things to compare. Then the last question comes from theme 14, a life of generosity. Read the power of a generous life on page 121. How might our society benefit from an attitude of generosity, even in the face of hatred and self-interest? So that's the question there. Okay, so answer the questions and put it in the drop box.